My name's Andrew Colbert. I'm a draftsman for the estate of Sol LeWitt. I've been a draftsman for 12 years.
I'm Rachel Broussard. I'm a program guide at Remai Modern.
Bevin Bradley, and I'm a program guide and a program assistant at Remai Modern.
The work itself is oftentimes meditative, sometimes the complete opposite and very physical, but it's always a communal project. It's always a communal spirit. It becomes selfless in a way. It's a selfless way to make work, and I think that the artwork becomes much bigger than who Sol was.
Artists always get kind of put on a pedestal as like these individual, isolated geniuses. To be a part of it like really helped bring that message home that like it's communal. It shows how much artwork kind of relies on so many people to make it happen.
It's something really satisfying about working with pencil and small lines on a large wall. It's really, like, of course, black and white, something that you can really focus on and not have to worry about all the other difficult parts of life that are not easy to fix. And so that, and working with the people, the team.
I believe he said it's difficult to bungle a good idea, and he had a lot of good ideas, so that makes it easy for the people that get to work on the drawings.